keep saying that we just alike, but we're not. When I say something, I mean it. When I say I'm gonna do something, I fucking do it.
If you ever see me in a Rolls Royce, a private plane, a 6 or 7-star hotel, living my life to the fullest.
Yeah, keep her pushing.
Don't hate on me. Don't get jealous of me, cause I worked my ass off to get it. Everything about my life and career I've earned it. Ain't nobody gave me shit. Nobody handed me nothing. If you want it, go get it.
Rather than let them tell me what's good and not good, I'm gonna be like, this is the shit. Listen to me. This is what I'm doing right now. And I have an amazing loyal fan base. You do. Who follows me, like, you know what I mean? I take with a lot of different emotions.
Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!
Oh, the pit vipers.
I got a pair for you if you want them.
We'll pull them on later.
Oh, they're in the truck.
Alright, back at it. Here in good old fucking Shaw Vegas. Gonna check out the cottage. We have some issues this time to go check out. My brother left his CRV here and somebody stole it from us, so more on that later. Yeah, man, me too. I got a new phone. It's fucking. Did you see the last video?
I didn't.
You didn't even watch the one where we were at the cottage.
Yeah, I've seen that.
That one, I shot some of those clips with my cell phone. You can't even tell that it's any different.
Yeah, I honestly thought you were at GoPro the whole time.
That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying. It's so mint. Jeremy's here.
Is he?
Yeah, I just saw him behind us.
Oh shit, of course.
Yeah. Whoops. Fuck. I'm trying to close you out. Yeah, buddy! Gotta make an entrance, you know?
Fucking sweet. Cop said he was gonna go check a couple places today that he thinks.
Oh, yeah?
Nice.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, did you show him the cops or the everything?
That's a super recognizable truck. Like,
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, we'll post pictures and like a link and stuff for you guys all to click and show us or tell us any info. But yeah, this is my brother Jeremy, and his fucking CRV got stolen from our cottage, and we're not taking that politely.
Are you a little stuck here?
Yeah, I'll pull you out.
Oh,
That's
buddy, yeah,
250.
from here, no problem.
Oh yeah.
Look at my front tires. much warmer than it was 5 minutes ago. Oh, thanks.
Yeah, I already realized I'm gonna put that second jacket on. Or the second
Real
sweater.
Canadian,
Yeah.
eh?
Zip up your fucking vest.
Man,
bro.
I broke the zipper. I broke the fucking... Oh yeah. Alright, so we're at the cottage now. Just throw it on here if you want.
It's my beatbox right here, boy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking all you need to keep warm in the bush, that's for sure.
I'm talking about.
Fucking 99% now, bud.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, let's see what we got going on in here. A little fire action.
Oh, yeah, wide open, chum.
We're all warm now. Time to get out there. Gonna go cut a tree fucking down.
And this one's gonna
What do you mean?
detach.
This one's gonna want to go that way, and this one's gonna want to go that way.
Yeah, no, but look it. If you cut this one first, it's gonna detach from this tree. It's not actually grown in. It's gonna fall this way.
Not even close, buddy. You're high.
No, I'm telling you, look it. Where are you gonna cut it from? Anything.
But it's gonna want to go like straight to Matt's trailer. It might even hit this building.
So what, are we cutting this tree down too, or just this one?
All three of them. Those two and that big one.
Check this out.
It'll be a nice one.
Fucking shower.
Got that propane water heater?
Yeah?
I mean, it's gonna be sick.
Yeah, this is pretty cool, man. You built this yourself?
Just put together quickly for wife.
Nice.
Doesn't like going up here in the fucking summer for more than one day because you need to get home.
Yeah, no, that looks super cool. It's warm in there too.
It's better.
Yeah,
Look at this tree.
that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, it's good to go.
Is gonna make it slide on this side.
Oh.
100%. You can see it, bro. Look it. I think that tree will take.
Oh, I see it going that way.
Yeah.
Towards, yeah, it's definitely going that way. I know it is too, just by looking at it.
I don't know why the fuck James.
I don't know.
I just took a look at it. I didn't know that's what you guys were arguing about the whole time. No, it's totally going that way. 100%. Yeah,
Smaller
no.
one.
100%.
Okay.
I can see it.
See the way the trees is.
Yeah, you can 100%. And the weight. Look at the weight pulled on that side.
Look at this hit, so there's no way it could even if it went perfectly this way.
It's still going that way, yeah. So what's the game plan? Are we gonna cut these trees or not?
Fuck yeah, we're cutting trees. Absolutely. That's what we came here to do.
Yeah, go cut that other tree.
But we're not gonna sit here and not cut trees with
What do you
chains.
guys plan for that other maple tree?
That we can cut up into sections.
Yeah, I know, but what's the plan for it?
Well, I'd like to cut it up just.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. I'd like to cut it, the maple tree, into 2 8-foot sections, and then the rest firewood. So it doesn't matter what.
No, cut all the big pieces at least. At least cut all the big pieces together so we can just utilize it.
Foot.
Really? That one's way more straightforward. This is like 2 trees
But the
tied
one,
together.
but the 2 trees are tiny. They're small. They're not big
No, but
trees.
the way they're put together, you gotta cut them separate. There's no way cutting those at the same time. One's not gonna go, and the other one's gonna go. You have to cut the small one first, and it's not coming this way with no rope. If we had a rope in it, maybe, but don't have a rope. Get warm. It's not cold out here.
Yeah, it is a little bit chilly.
It's fucking cold.
All right, time to go grab that toe
Oh, what
strap.
happened to that?
Our old fort.
Yeah. Anybody got any bright ideas?
Nope. You guys are the one that want to do this. I'm just letting it happen.
I've never seen these trees before. I don't know. It's my first time seeing them.
Chris is I just want to cut a tree.
Yeah, I've never seen these before.
You guys are telling me you had some trees you need to cut? I'm here to film it.
Cutting these two small. These things are baby trees. They're basically saplings. It's not gonna be hit by the halfway down the tree or even 3/4 of down the tree. It's gonna be hit.
What
by
do you guys think's gonna happen? Let us know now in the comments before you see it. What's gonna happen to this tree? Is it gonna hit the fucking shower? Is it gonna go on the road like we planned? Tell me how you think it's gonna go. Yo, it's liquid cooled right now, bud. Flip it like last time.
Oh, I'm okay.
No, you don't want to try it?
No, I don't feel like fucking burning out a motor real quick.
All right, sounds good. We'll hold on to this
I'm
and
gonna
then.
go up in this forest, bro.
All right, well then hold it. Go film something. What's that?
One of these heated jackets, because you can put your batteries in the pocket.
Yeah, I got my batteries in my pocket right now.
No, but is it a heated pocket?
Nah, but it'll work.
No, but they would work better though.
Oh, it probably would.
There's one reason why you need it. Fuck yeah! Nice little cut.
Let's find the next one to cut.
Hey.
The other trees.
Oh, we got some movement.
Good.
Buddy, barely even touched the other ones.
That was perfect.
See the
Yeah.
Y in it? See the Y down the tree?
Yo, we got some hills down there. Look at that. It goes down then up.
Yeah, we gotta keep going.
Yo, do you see that?
Yeah, let me check it out.
Just scouting the property here. Got 23 acres to cover. We gotta find some new camping spots, eh, boys?
I just did this all. Yeah, what the hell? I feel like this isn't water.
No, it's not water. No.
All right, so if any of you guys know anything about that CRV that's stolen from our property, you know, like, we'll leave some information. You can let us know underneath. But yeah, we'd really like to find out who's doing that. That's not cool, you know. My grandfather, he sold his home and left us this 23 acres of land. And in the last little bit, we've been having some problems with thieves. So yeah, we'd like to figure that out. Cops have been notified. So yeah, let us know below if you guys have any information on that. But thanks, guys. Yeah, keep her pushing. Oh! Oh! Alright, that was a good day, good day.
I just didn't want to hit any of these beautiful machines.
Yeah, exactly. That's the rain prize right there. Good day. Yo, Christian, don't forget your beer down there, eh?
Good job, boys.
Good day, man. Good day.
Alright, boys. It was good seeing both you motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!